Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll look at how to open Exchange database.edb file without Exchange server. First, let's quickly understand what an EDB file actually is. An EDB file is the main database file used by Microsoft Exchange Server. It stores all mailbox data, including emails, attachments, contacts, calendars, tasks, notes, and journals. Every user mailbox in Exchange is saved inside the EDB file. Exchange Server depends on EDB files to manage and control organizational email communication. You cannot directly open an EDB file in Outlook or other email clients without Exchange Server. Accessing mailbox data becomes difficult when the Exchange Server is down, unavailable, or decommissioned. Tools like Stellar Converter for EDB allow you to open and view EDB files without needing Exchange Server. Since EDB files are tied to Exchange Server and cannot be opened directly with File Explorer or Outlook, we need specialized software. And this is where Stellar Converter for EDB comes to the rescue. Why choose Stellar Converter for EDB? It is a powerful tool designed to open and extract mailbox data from Exchange database files. It works without Exchange Server, allowing you to access EDB files even if the server is down or decommissioned. It supports all major Exchange versions, from Exchange 2019 down to 5.5 and Subscription Edition. The tool offers a user-friendly Outlook-like interface for easy mailbox navigation and preview. You can preview emails, attachments, contacts, calendars, tasks, notes, and journals directly from the EDB file. It allows selective export of individual items, single mailboxes, or multiple mailboxes. You can save data in formats like PST, MSG, EML, RTF, PDF, and HTML, or export directly to Live Exchange and Office 365. Now let's talk about real-world use cases. You might need this tool when you're decommissioning an old Exchange server. You want to export mailboxes from an offline EDB file to a new Exchange server or Microsoft 365. You need to retrieve historical emails for compliance or audits. You need selective data export instead of restoring the full database. Let's see how to use Stellar Converter for EDB. Let's download the installer from official website. Open the installation file, accept the license agreement, and follow the wizard to complete installation. With Launch Stellar Converter for EDB selected, click Finish to open the software. Next, activate the license by entering your key and clicking Activate. On the main screen, choose Offline EDB mode. Click Browse, select your EDB file, and let the software scan it. Once scanning is complete, you'll see a live preview of all mailboxes and items. You can preview emails, contacts, calendar events, tasks, and more. For export, you can save a single email as an MSG file, or save an entire mailbox as a PST file for Outlook. Stellar also supports bulk export. Select multiple mailboxes, click Save Mailbox, and choose from options like Live Exchange, Microsoft 365, In-Place Archive, Public Folder, or PST. For this demo, let's select Export to Live Exchange and click Next. Enter your Exchange login credentials, upload the CSV file with mailbox details, and click Next. The software will automatically map mailboxes, but you can adjust priorities or map them manually if needed. Finally, click Export, and Stellar Converter for EDB will seamlessly transfer all selected mailboxes directly into Live Exchange. To sum it up, Stellar Converter for EDB is a reliable solution for anyone who needs quick access to Exchange database files without relying on the Exchange server. It allows you to scan, preview, and export mailboxes from EDB files. With support for PST, MSG, EML, PDF, HTML, and direct export to Live Exchange or Microsoft 365. The intuitive interface and automated mailbox mapping make the process seamless, even for complex environments. Supports Archive mailboxes conversion. With its powerful features and ease of use, Stellar Converter for EDB stands out as a trusted tool for Exchange admins and IT professionals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for more Exchange Server administration insights. See you in the next video.